Man, it's already 2:30. I shouldn't have stayed up playing video games all night, man.
Hi, I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and I went to bed at 10:30 last night.
If I don't eat breakfast, maybe I could eat McDonald's later.
For breakfast, I'm gonna have some oatmeal and some fruit.
I'll just shower later. But wait, I haven't showered since Monday, and it's already Friday.
Since I took a shower last night, I'm just gonna brush my hair, brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Heck yeah, I'm gonna get me some Takis for breakfast.
I'm going on a walk because it's sunny and nice out today.
Oh man, I'm about to get this dub right now. They sent me to the gulag.
That was a nice walk. Now I'm gonna prepare for lunch. I'm getting my ingredients together and gonna start preheating my stove and getting everything together for lunch.
Oh man, I burnt my food because I got distracted playing Candy Crush.
Okay, while the rice is cooking, I'm going to start some laundry. I have my soap and I'm just gonna put it in the washer so I can get other things done.
You wanna kick it? Hey man, but I got class right now. You're right. If I miss one day, it won't hurt me.
Now that I ate lunch, I'm gonna hang out with my friends for a little bit. We're gonna hang out through Zoom, a virtual meeting. Hi.
I don't need to take care of myself. I'm good. Look, man, I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, I'm gonna do what makes me happy. I'm gonna write my comic book, I'm gonna read my stories, and just relax.
I got my cam final. But I think I could play a couple rounds of Call of Duty.
Alright, I gotta study for my chemistry exam that's gonna happen in 2 days. So, I got my flashcards out, and I'm gonna hit the books.
Oh man, what time is it? I can't take my test anymore. Man, I need help with time management.
I got 91% on my exam. Time management really helps. Now, I'm gonna play my video games.